Hi, Bill Bodner, Mortgage Market Guide. Thanks for tuning in to our MMG weekly recap. The theme of this week is really three things that are moving the market, and the first of which is the stimulus package or possible stimulus package. Now, we've seen over and over the last several months Congress's inability or willingness to put forth an agreement in a bipartisan way. There's a lot of political pressure now. The cases are rising. We have a new president coming in, so there's pressure everywhere to get something done. And so what's happening is there are two dates that you need to follow. December 11th is the day that if that the government, Congress, has to put in a funding bill to keep the government open. If it doesn't put together a funding bill, heck, we'll have a government shutdown December 11th. That's right around the corner. If we're on, and it looks like the package will get pushed into that measure. If it does not, they have until the 21st of December, and then after that, Congress is on recess until the beginning of the year, and that would be bad. So that's what we're watching over the next couple of weeks. That's the elephant in the room. Now, the second market mover is obviously the vaccines. Vaccines are coming out in earnest. There's hope about the widespread nature of these vaccines, especially to the folks that are at risk, as well as the frontline support. So that is a big market mover, and that's why this week we're watching stocks at all-time highs and yields at their highest levels of the summer. But the final thing that's put a lid on stuff is this torrid rise in cases. It's just remarkable, the rise of cases, hospitalizations, and unfortunately deaths related to COVID. And now there's this fear that emerging about further restrictions, further shutdowns, and the economic impact that comes along with it. We're watching the labor market, the gains slow. And if we have to start locking down folks and shut down businesses, it's going to be tough. And that's why that stimulus measure has to come very, very quickly. So heading into the weekend, that's what we're thinking about. Next week, it's those stories will guide us probably for the next couple of weeks. And then we have some paper coming next week. The Treasury is going to sell 3 and 10-year notes, as well as some 30-year bonds, a boatload of it. And with yields having already risen, it will be very interesting to see what the buying appetite is for that paper heading in the next week. So I hope this finds you well. Have yourself a great weekend. Be safe, be positive, and test negative. We'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.